Hey, Kalano here. I'm gonna do a short non-RC video here for you guys. I'm gonna take apart and rebuild my computer build that I use to edit my videos and play some games. But it's late at night here. I just got off a midnight shift and I want to do something, and I don't want to wake anybody up, so I'm gonna be a little quiet. Here's the build. The reason why I'm gonna rebuild here, not really rebuilding, just cleaning, is because these are all my dust filters and they were pretty bad, so I want to take apart everything, and I'm gonna redo my thermal paste, and I'm gonna put a Blu-ray driver in. So yeah, I'm disk drive-less right now, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on a tripod and I'll have a little bit of a time-lapse for you guys. Okay, so I finished cleaning it out, and we'll look at it. Did a bit more cable management than I did before. There's less at the bottom near the fan there, which is better. Yeah, I moved the hard drive from the back to the front in there. And I have a disk drive in the front now. So yeah, that's my build for video editing and gaming. Oh, good night.